I get some Vaseline? Step into a modern scene. Take a chance on that which seemed to be the making of a dream. I don't wanna do it like my daddy did. I don't wanna give it to my baby's kid. This is my calling. I said, darling, shocking, appalling. All I can do to you, hammers are falling. I said, darling, shocking, appalling. All I can do to you. This is the place where all the devils plead their case to take from you what they need. Can I isolate your gene? Can I kiss your dopamine? In a way I wonder if she's living in a magazine. I don't wanna say it if it isn't so. I don't wanna weigh it, but I've gotta know. This is my calling. I said, darling, shocking, appalling. All I can do to you, hammers are falling. I said, darling, shocking, appalling. All I can do to you. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I saw you out there yesterday. What did you want to say? A perfect piece of DNA caught in a flashing ray. I caught you out there in the fray. What did you want to say? A masterpiece of DNA caught in a flashing ray. Can I smell your gasoline? Can I pet your Wolverine? On the day my best friend died, I could not get my copper clean. I don't wanna take it up with little Joe.